So vlog. Today I'm doing Jill's thing for her, and oh my god, what's that noise? I think there's something there. Oh my god, is that a bat?
Oh my god. This is Batman. This is Batman speaking. I have come to protect you. No one shall know of my identity. I was never here.
Oh my god.